In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust contrast in Canva. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can quickly make your photos stand out and look more professional without getting lost in complicated tools. First, open your design in Canva and make sure the photo you want to edit is visible on your canvas. To begin, simply click on the photo. This tells Canva that this is the image you want to work on. You should see a border or highlight appear around the photo, confirming that it's selected. If you accidentally click on the background or some text instead, just try again and make sure you're clicking directly on the image itself. Once your photo is selected, look toward the top of the screen for the editing toolbar. There, you'll see an option labeled Edit. Go ahead and click on Edit. This opens up Canva's photo editing panel, which contains all the tools you need to adjust your image, including brightness, saturation, and of course, contrast. After the edit panel appears, look for the section called Adjust. Click on Adjust to access more detailed controls. This is where you'll find the contrast slider. If you don't see it right away, scroll a little within the adjustment options until you do. The Adjust section gives you much more fine-tuned control over how your photo looks. Now, follow the on-screen prompts and start adjusting the contrast. Typically, you'll do this by dragging the contrast slider left or right. Sliding to the right increases contrast, making dark areas darker and light areas lighter. This can give your image more punch and definition. Sliding to the left decreases contrast, which can create a softer, more muted look. As you move the slider, watch your photo closely in real time. Small changes often work best. You rarely need to push the contrast all the way to either extreme. If the image starts to look too harsh or details disappear in the shadows, ease the slider back until it feels balanced. Remember, you can always undo a change or reset the adjustments if you're not happy with the result. When you're satisfied with how the contrast looks, simply click away from the panel or continue editing other settings like brightness or saturation. Your changes are saved automatically in your design.